Hey there! Are you tired of dealing with stubborn congestion that just won't clear up? Well, you might just need a breath of fresh air, literally. Today, I'm diving into the wonders of eucalyptus oil and how it might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for to clear your sinuses and breathe easier. First things first, what is eucalyptus oil? It's an essential oil derived from the leaf of the eucalyptus tree, which is native to Australia. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, this oil has been a go-to remedy for respiratory issues for ages. So, how does it work? When inhaled, the powerful compound in eucalyptus oil called cineol works like a charm to ease nasal congestion and pressure. It's like giving your nasal passages a soothing, minty spa day. Just add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the steam. You'll feel your sinuses starting to say thank you. But wait, there's more. Eucalyptus oil isn't just for congestion. It's also great for coughs, sore throats, and even headaches. Plus, its crisp, fresh scent can energize your mind and ward off feelings of sluggishness. Now, while eucalyptus oil is generally safe, it's powerful stuff. Always dilute it properly and start with a patch test to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction. And remember, essential oils are potent, so a little goes a long way. If you've enjoyed learning about the natural power of eucalyptus oil, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join me next time for more insightful tips on natural remedies that can make a difference in your life. Until then, breathe easy and stay healthy.